Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Dress Up Playdough, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your doll into a teacher. Here's what you need to get started. You need a doll, white Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, and a Play-Doh rolling pin and knife. If you don't have either of those, then that is okay. You can just use a real one, but make sure to ask a parent's permission first. Let's get started. First, we are going to add a base to our teacher so she can stand up all by herself. I want my teacher to have a cute little red skirt. To do that, just roll out some red Play-Doh and cut it into a rectangle. But you can use any color that you want. Now, just wrap the rectangle around her waist, and voila, you have a cute little skirt. I want my teacher to have a white shirt. To do that, just roll out some Play-Doh and cut it into a rectangle. Wrap the rectangle around the doll's body. And there you have a cute little shirt, but we aren't done yet. That's right, we need to make some sleeves. To do that, just roll out a small piece of Play-Doh, measure it on your doll's arm, and cut it to the perfect size. Then, wrap it around the teacher's arm. Looking great! Now just repeat the process with the other arm. I want to add some finishing touches. To do that, I'm just going to roll out a thin layer of red Play-Doh. And I'm going to trim it around her neck. Place the Play-Doh along the border of her shirt and voila, it's super cute. Lastly, we are going to make our teacher some cute little glasses. To do that, I am just going to roll out some black Play-Doh. Form small little circles, and then place it on her eyes. It takes a little patience for it to stick on her face, but don't worry, it will work. Then, just make the bar across her nose. And there you have it, your perfect little teacher. Here is our teacher. Wow, doesn't she look great? She looks like she's ready to go teach her students. What's your favorite subject in school? My favorite subject in school is social studies because I love to learn about history. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time on Dress Up Play-Doh.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.